What's up guys, hope you're all well. So today I'm going to tell you what I think you should do before upgrading to the Xbox Series X, the new console coming out soon. So number one, I think you should keep all the games that you'd like to keep and play on your new console, because I don't think there will be many Xbox Series X exclusive games out on release, so I'd keep the ones that you'd like to play. So obviously you keep your digital games on your account, but I'd also recommend keeping your disc games that you'd like. So for example, I have Call of Duty Black Ops 4 on disc, I would keep that, and I have, well, most of the other games I have there are on digitally, but I would keep the disc for the ones that I do have on disc. It's like R6 and that, so I'd keep them on disc, and so I can play them on the new console. So here are all my own games on the digital downloads, so I can download all these as well if I wanted to, and they should work on Xbox Series X because they said they're going to be backwards compatible. Okay, so the next thing as well that I would recommend you doing is actually getting Xbox Game Pass now, well, a couple of months before it comes out, because I reckon they'll do a deal, and as you can see here now, 1 month for £1. I think they do 3 months for £1 sometimes. I can't really remember exactly when they do that, but I'm sure they have done that, and I recommend getting that deal before the new Xbox comes out. There's also Xbox Live, but if you want more games, digital games, which I recommend, I would go for the Xbox Game Pass Ultimate subscription for an extra £4 a month. It's decent, so I recommend doing that before the new Xbox comes out. They should do a deal, to be honest. I'd be a bit disappointed if they didn't. So I do recommend that right before, or a few months before, they release a new console. So the next thing I recommend is backing up your games to a portable hard drive. So these can be bought for about £70 online from retailers such as Amazon for about 2 terabytes of storage on a hard disk drive. So I recommend doing that, and it is also beneficial to back up your games anyway in case your device malfunctions, which hopefully will never happen. So before, when I was talking about subscriptions, I missed out EA Access, and this should still be a thing when the new consoles come out. So I don't know what will exactly happen, but it should still be here. And finally, and probably the most obvious, is keep your Xbox controller, as there is a possibility that this might work on a new Xbox console. Make sure you hit that subscribe button for more good content coming soon.